On number 7, we have My Boss, My Hero. It is a Japanese drama in which the show is about the Makio Sakaki, also known as Tornado, a boy who is a 27-year-old Yakuza who wants to succeed his father as the head of the gang, and he also wants to be as the head of the gang. But Makio is a little dumb, so his father decides to send him back to the high school and make a deal with him that if he can graduate, he can become the new leader of the gang. If Makio does not graduate, the position of the boss will be given to his younger brother. So the Mikio, and that is how the hero goes back to the school hiding his identity and age, and he started to live there where he meet the new people, and his life changes completely. On number 6, we have My Little Lover. The My Little Lover was a Japanese drama in which the Susuma Minami and Chiyomi Horikiri are the childhood friends and also like each other. But after Susuma Minami's father disappears, they hardly talk with each other. On a storming night, one night, a Chiyomi Hirukiri, a girl, has an argument with her parent over her future course and leaves the home. While trying to avoid the rain, she wishes that she can go back to her childhood, and suddenly she becomes the 50 centimeter short. Susumi Minami happens to see tiny Chiyomi Horikiru, and she tells him that she does not want anyone else to see her, and Susumi Minami take her his home, and she start to live with him, and their crush and their love start to bloom, but many ups and downs come because of the many circumstances. Go and enjoy that drama. On number 5, we have Good Morning Call. The Good Morning Call is a drama in which the Yoshikawa now stays behind to live by herself when her parents leave to inherit her grandpa's farm in the country. On the day she moved into her new apartment, she discovered that it was also rented to the Yuhahara Hisashi. Yuhahara Hisashi is a cute, super cool, and a popular guy and a cold guy from her school. Not only did their housing agency unexpectedly close down, but the landlord of the apartment tells the both of them that they had to pay more for their apartment, and then they decide to expected it with no money, so they decide that to live together as a flatmates, and how their relationship develop, and how the rude and a popular guy develop a feeling for a small and a simple girl who is really shy girl, and their love story begins to blooms. On number 4, we have I Am Taking the Day Off. I Am Taking the Day Off is a really good drama. I personally recommend this to watch this. In this, the Hane Ayushi is a 30-year-old woman. She works for a general trading company and has never taken a day off or been late for her work. She dresses pleasantly plain and has zero dating experience. She attends a company party and drink with a part-time employee Yuto Tanokara. He is a handsome university student. Though that evening, the Hane becomes drunk and passes out. When she wakes up, she finds herself beside the Yuto Tonokara, sleeping next to her, and he is naked. She becomes confused about what happened and takes the day off from work for the first time. To come out of the shell, Hana decides to date the Yuto Tonokara, who is 9 years younger than her. At this time, the Yu Asao is the man who is the CEO of the food company located in the same building of her, and he also starts to develop the feeling for her. So this is a cute romantic love triangle, but you definitely want to go and watch this because the ending is so good. On number 3, we have Gokusen. The Gokusen is the story of a young idealist teacher who enters the Shirokin Gakusen with the hope of making a difference in the student life. However, the Yamaguchi Kumiko is known for her rude awakening when she finds out that she will be the homeroom teacher of the student, the hardest class of the school. The students of that class have multicolored hair, floppy uniform, and show absolutely no respect to their teacher, and they do the same for her. It will become very difficult to handle her at the first, but she didn't give up. And also that the Yamaguchi Kumiki, who is the rude boy, start to have a feeling for her and develop a feeling for her, and everything changes. And also she changes the life of the student of that class, and everything become very good. But also you have to go and what did how she didn't give up, and how the student life are not the same as they are showing. So go and watch that drama Gokusen. On number 2, we have the mischievous kiss Love in Tokyo. At a high school entrance ceremony, the high school student Kotoko Ahira, who is not the smart, notice pretty boy Nako Iri. She falls in love with a Naoko immediately. The Kotoko initially does not express her feeling to him, but finally has the chance to tell him how she feels. But unfortunately, the Naoki turns Kotoko down, saying, "I don't like dumb women." One day, the Kotoko Ahira house is severely damaged by an earthquake. Until the house is rebuilt, the Kotoko Ahira and her father decide to live with her father friend. When Kotoko moves to her new temporary house to her father friend, she is surprised to learn that the Naoki is the son of his father friend, and they live together, and then the relationship changes completely. On number 1, we have The Love Will Last Forever. The Love Will Last Forever. In this, the Nanase Sakura is a 23-year-old rookie nurse. She met Dr. Kairi Tendo several years ago and fell in love with him. To meet him again, she studied hard and became a nurse. After 5 years, she finally meets the Kairi Tendo again as she joined the same hospital where the Kairi Tendo is a doctor. But he has a totally different passionately than what she imagined. The Kairi Tendo is a 31-year-old man who is a doctor and commonly known as a rude, and he is completely different. The Nanase Sakura worked hard to receive the recognition from the Kairi Tendo, and she also expresses her feeling honestly to him at the first, but due to her persistence, he reject her. And then after, the Nanase Sakura become well known at the hospital, and she pick up the name of the nickname Warrior. Meanwhile, the Kairi Tendo become attracted to the Nanase Sakura, and his heart begins to melt.